dangerous hailstorm causing flooding in Andorra. The city of Andorra was devastated after a hailstorm passed with gusts of 146 km per hour in the early hours of Wednesday afternoon. Flooded streets, including the ground floor and garages of many buildings, and caused damage to roofs, windows and other infrastructure. Huge hailstones left a thick layer on the road, which has a thickness of 40 centimeters in some areas. The ice has collapsed the sewers, causing further rain damage. As a result of the storm, nearly 2,000 residents of Andorra were without electricity, according to Endesa sources. From such a situation, Andorra City Council has launched emergency protocols to deal with the most pressing incidents, including cleaning all roads that are affected. Click to see the next news. Please press follow. Thank you.